Hello from Lights and Gear. We just recently did a review of the Nitecore EC21 18650 light, but I just wanted to make sure that we covered all the bases as far as the switchings are concerned, because it has both the power switch here and the mode switch right here. And just to make sure we didn't leave anything out, I'd like to make a quick video here just to run down everything that the switches can do, because they are somewhat multi-purpose. Okay. Here's the EC21. It's turned off. Same with any other light. You can press the power switch and you've got light. And more often than not, when I turn it on, it seems to come on in moonlight. But I do use moonlight a fair amount. So anyway, I pressed it and it's come on in moonlight. Want to switch the modes? Well, then press the mode switch. And of course you will incrementally start to rise in lumens with every press. So that's your basic operation: off, on, and then of course change the modes. Something else I can do with the on and off switch is, if I press and hold it, I will automatically go to moonlight. So from whatever mode I was already in, so let's do this. If I'm already in the medium mode and I turn it off, if I turn it back on again, it will come on in the medium mode. But if I turn it off and hold the power switch, it will automatically go to moonlight mode. Okay, let's turn it off again, and let's turn it on, advance, and now I didn't have to advance. What I'm looking for here are flashing modes. So whatever mode I happen to be in, I can press and hold the mode switch and it will automatically start the flashing modes. This one is strobe, and if I press and hold it again, I'll get to location beacon, which is the white periodic flashing here, location beacon. I can press and hold it again and I'll be in SOS mode, and to return to the regular lighting mode, just press it once. And you don't have to cycle through any of those flashing modes. You can stop at location beacon if you want, and of course to return to the regular lighting mode, just press the mode switch once and you're back into the regular mode. How about the red light? Now there's a red LED in here, a red LED which is up at the top there, and there are two things you can do with a red LED. I can press the mode switch just once and I get constant red. Mode switch once, not press and hold, just give it one quick press and I'm automatically turned on the red LED, and that's a constant lighting mode. If I want the red LED to flash, I can also do that. I'll turn it off, and to get it to flash I have to have any of the other modes already going. Doesn't matter whether it's moonlight, low, medium, high, or turbo. I can have any of those lights going. Then if I want to change to the red flashing mode, I press and hold the mode switch. That shuts off and the red flash comes on. See that? That's pretty nifty. So that's by pressing and holding the power switch from already being in any other lighting mode. And to switch it off, just press the power button again and you will return to the lighting mode which you were in previously. Did I cover turbo mode? Did I cover that? If I press and hold the mode switch, it will go into instant turbo mode. Did I talk about that? If not, there it is, instant turbo with the press and hold of the mode switch. So that's pretty much what it does as far as the switches are concerned. As I say, they are pretty versatile, and each one has its own function outside of just turning it on and then advancing to the next lumen level. But that's the Nitecore EC21 and the very versatile two switches. And if you do like the light, you can visit lightsandgear.com. If you want to see, if you want to read more about the light and you want the full review and so forth, and to see indoor and outdoor beam shots, then I would suggest visiting the visiting lightsandgear.com, and of course the link is below to the actual review, or you can go to the other YouTube video and watch the video review of the entire light that way. Lightsandgear.com, thank you for looking, and we'll see you next time.